Now coming to the Charter Act of 1853. Charter Act of 1853. The important provisions of the Charter Act of 1853 is it separated for the first time legislative and executive functions of Governors General Council. My dear friends, if you can recall, in 1784 there is a separation of commercial and political functions. In coming to, don't confuse, okay, coming to 1853, it separated for the first time legislative and executive functions of Governor General Council. Okay, earlier Governor General there used to be a Governor General Executive Council. This Governor General Executive Council used to take care of both the executive functions and the legislative functions. Now there is a separation of powers, that is legislative functions and the executive functions. Please remember, in 1853 it separated for the first time the legislative and the executive functions of Governor General Council. So to this Governor General Legislative Council, we added 6 new members. 6 new members were added to the Governor General Legislative Council. Please focus about Legislative Council. This is clear separation of Legislative Council and the Executive Council, and 6 members were added. My dear friends, now focus here. It introduced, earlier in 1833 they attempted to introduce open competition for selection of civil servants, whereas in 1853 it got implemented. Now they introduced the open competition system for selection of civil servants. In 1833 they attempted to introduce, whereas coming to 1853 they introduced the open competition system for selection of civil servants. Next important point, local representation was provided. Please focus here. Local representation was provided. It need not to be, it doesn't mean that the local representation doesn't mean that representation to Indians. Okay, local representation in Indian Legislative Council, out of 6 places, 6 seats, 4 are appointed by local governments of Madras, Bombay, Bengal and Agra. Okay, so Governor's Legislative Council was created. It consists of 6 members. Out of these 6 members, 4 members were appointed by the local governments of Madras, Bombay, Bengal and Agra. These are the 3 major important points which you need to remember. One is separation, next one is it introduced the open competition, next one is it provided the local representation. My dear friends, remember it as solo. Okay, nothing for O. Solo mean alone. Okay, 1853, remember it as solo traveler. Okay, alone, you are traveling alone, just remember as solo. S for separated for the first time legislative and executive functions, introduced the open competition, next one provided the local representation. Next, coming to the Government of India Act 1858. Okay, we'll be discussing only important points, sir. Okay, I'll not be discussing all the points with regards to the changes in the military and changing with regards to the Indian sepoys ratio to the European sepoys ratio and all these things. Okay, the important points are, first one, 1857 Sepoy Revolt. My dear friends, let me ask one basic question. Which is the first war of Indian independence? Not 1857 revolt, it was changed. Okay, the people who are not aware of the change, please do TTD on, please do search about Paika rebellion. Okay, Paika rebellion happened in Odisha. Okay, so please, that's so important, because from last 2-3 years we are expecting a question on Paika rebellion after the change. 200 years of celebration of Paika rebellion. It happened in 1817 in Odisha. Okay, we are expecting question on this topic. Abhi tak there is no question on this Paika rebellion. Okay, just once go home and search about this Paika rebellion. Next, the most important thing is it introduced the rule of crown in India. Now the rule of crown has started. India will be governed in the name of Her Majesty. Okay, now Governor General of India will also act as Viceroy of India. Governor General of India will also act as Viceroy of India. What does it mean? It means he acts as a direct representative of the crown. The crown rule has started. Now the Governor General of India will act as a Viceroy of India. It means he is the direct representative of crown. So who is the first Viceroy, sir? Lord Canning is the first Viceroy. Next, it abolished the system of double government. It abolished the system of double government. What I mean by double government? Which was created in 1784, Pitt's India Act. Separation of commercial functions and the political functions. Court of Directors and Board of Control. Court of Directors and Board of Control. It abolished that system. And it created a new office, that is Secretary of State. Important. It created a new office, that is Secretary of State. He is a member of British Cabinet and responsible to British Parliament. Okay. And to assist the Secretary of State, a 15-member of council is also established to assist the Secretary of State. Okay. These are the important points you need to remember. One is the rule of crown, Viceroy. Next, it abolished the double government system, that is, which was introduced in 1784, Pitt's India Act, separation of commercial functions and the political functions. And next, it created a new office, that is Secretary of State. Okay. Hope you remember the earlier mnemonic, that is solo. Okay, remember it as cave. Solo, caves. You are traveling alone in a cave. Okay, so separation of legislative and executive functions. Next, O for introduced open competition for civil services. Next, L for local representation. C for crown rule. Abolished this one double government system, that is Court of Directors and Board of Control. V for Viceroy, and there is nothing for E, and S for Secretary of States. Solo, caves. Let's recall the earlier mnemonics. Come on, sir. Yes, sir. Please try to recall. It is grapes. When you eat grapes, you become sick. Okay. And then you have done your Masters of Technologies in toilet, in constructing toilet. Okay. Now after you ate grapes, then you became sick, and then you have done your MTech in toilets, and then you traveled alone in caves. Okay, solo caves. Okay, very easy to remember, sir. Okay.